Toki Laundry, wash and dry 24 hours. Looks like they'll either do it for you or you do it yourself. We're on our way to go eat. So I think
Patong Beach.
yeah, we're very close to Patong Beach. We just came from there. So the sun's already starting to go down. Oh, for those that don't know, Patong Beach is at Phuket on the island. Let me tell you, the traffic here is crazy. It isn't Bangkok crazy, but it definitely, we had one spot today that we sat for 20 minutes trying to get through. They had construction, only one lane. Oh my God. Bike for rent and you're looking for one. Ooh, a Harley. Oh, Joy wants this big Honda. I'm having Leo beer, and it's in a Chang cooler cup, but it's iced cup.
Spring roll. Spring roll.
I ordered the meat lover pizza, and what did you get?
Spring roll.
Spring rolls.
And Pad Kaprao.
Oh.
Spring roll Pad Kaprao.
Ooh.
And I ordered smoothie with green tea. Avocado smoothie.
Okay, when the smoothie comes, I'll share it. Okay, this is Jai's avocado and green tea smoothie. Look at that thing. I think she better go to work on it, or it's gonna melt down the side. Jai got beef caprao for her dinner, along with the spring rolls that are not here yet, and the avocado with green tea smoothie. And it's already started to run down the side. It's got a volcano on top. The spring rolls showed up for Jai's dinner. He's got a couple of sweet dips. Okay, my meat lover pizza showed up. It's comparative. See the size of my hand. It's enough for me, for sure. It's a nice meal. So I hope it's as good as it looks. Our dinner for the two of us came out to 735 baht. And it was a really good meal. We both had plenty to eat. So how much is that? 10? It's like $20. That's too cool. Way to move some jet skis. Okay, we're gonna walk Patong Phuket and share a little bit with you.
อันนี้ร้านนี้
Well, everybody, we hope you enjoyed the content of us eating here in Phuket. It was a great place. The food was really good. We're both happy. So if you enjoyed this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.